Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. Today we're making this delicious, savory Raspa de Sandía. This is the perfect Mexican treat to get the summer started. We're not gonna make the syrup, we're gonna use the watermelon itself. Let's get started. Cut your watermelon like this. This watermelon came out super sweet, which is perfect because we're trying not to use too much sugar for this recipe. I'm just gonna slice it like this and take a little bite. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. We're not gonna need the sugar. Start peeling it like this. I'm gonna use a cheese grater to grate this watermelon when it's frozen. So I'm gonna cut it into thinner pieces like this. Get you a tray and add some parchment paper on top so it doesn't stick when it's frozen. Put it in the freezer for a couple of hours. It will be pretty solid when it's ready. It should end up looking something like this. Take one of the frozen pieces and start grating it with the cheese grater. Wash your fingers, this could get pretty cold. Ooh, that really looks pretty good. Grate as much watermelon as you need. I'm gonna use one of these little cups that I found at H-E-B. It's perfect for this recipe. Go ahead and cut you one lime and rub it against the rim. We drop some Tajín in a bowl and we're gonna dip it in there. Make sure you get it all around. Like this is perfect. Let's add a splash of chamoy. Add as much as you want. It goes great with the watermelon. Sprinkle some lime juice in there. And now we're gonna put the grated watermelon in there. This frozen watermelon literally just melts in your mouth. It's good. Keep filling it up to the top. Okay, now it's nice and ready. Let's finish adding the topping so we can do the taste test. Add a little bit more lime juice. Hey, are y'all subscribed to the channel already? If not, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Add a little splash of chamoy. You can have it like this if you want. It already looks pretty good. But I'm gonna add some more Tajín on top of mine. Sprinkle some on top. A little bit more lime wouldn't hurt. And it's time for the taste test. Let's get a little scoop. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's give it a try.
That's good. This is perfect to stay fresh this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!